I'm gonna be showing you that, and I'm gonna be showing you that. I'm Landon. And I'm Eliza. Hi. I'm Tiffany. Hi.
Alright, you guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. You will notice that I clean the kitchen the most. At least I think I do. That's the first place that we walk in, and we lay everything on that washer and dryer and on the counter. Everything's right there, as you can see. So this is actually going to be a late night clean with me, Halloween edition. This was Halloween night, so we were so tired, so exhausted. I literally went to bed at 11:30 and I fell right asleep. I never do that, so it was nice, but it was not easy getting up the next morning. So I hope you enjoy this video. I do come on and talk a little bit more during this video, so I hope you like it. If you do, leave a comment below letting me know if you like just straight up cleaning and organizing, or if you like me to break and talk to you guys and have clips of us in between. I will talk to you later.
Look at all of this candy. They made out so good. Holy cow. Really? Okay.
Alright, you guys, so real mom talk. In just a second, you'll get to see just how exhausted I was right there. I was so tired, I was just ready to sit down. You know, if you have kids, then you know. And I'm actually wondering, how was your guys' Halloween? Were you able to go trick-or-treating? I know a lot of people were affected with some nasty weather on Halloween, so a lot of people weren't able to go trick-or-treating. Leave a comment below. Let me know where you're from and where you're watching from. Were you able to go trick-or-treating?
I just noticed that there's this pumpkin is rotten. This pumpkin is rotten. I'm kidding. That was very corny. I'm so sorry. So sorry. It's rotten. It's time to throw it away. I'm already thinking about having to put Christmas decorations up because I'm like, where am I gonna move everything? All of my furniture is gonna have to be moved here, there, everywhere. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just don't know. I haven't really figured it out. I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right back into cleaning.
So this is all of my daughter's candy. And then all of my son's. You can tell he stopped trick-or-treating towards the end.
Alright, you guys, I'm finished. I really want to go to bed right now, but I'm going to do homework. I'm going to finish at least one assignment, and then I am going to drag myself to bed because I am so tired. I'm just so glad that I got the kitchen cleaned. Like, there's so much more that I want to do. I just am so excited that I'm getting more into doing the videos because it's really helping to motivate me. It's still really hard because I have anxiety, and if you guys don't know about the anxiety situation, like, it really can debilitate you sometimes. Like, you just don't want to do anything. So I'm hoping that this will help motivate me to do more of it, like more cleaning and just more organizing. That way it will just help ease my mind a little bit, I hope. I just want to say, if you guys want to see any more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have anything that you want to see, just leave a comment down below in the description box, and I will talk to you next time. Thank you so much for stopping by. We love having you around. We love having y'all around. And until next time, bye.